have to Botox my jaw again because my bruxing is back. Bruxing is grinding of the teeth at night. So bruxing can cause your teeth to wear down, causes headaches, which is what's happening to me.